there's been a lot of fear in this industry. Not knowing where the market's going, not knowing how your clients are going to react to you. So what have a lot of us done? We've really pulled in. We don't want to pick up the phone and tell our clients, as I mentioned earlier, that your portfolios are down. Why? Because we're fearful of being fired. We really are. And one of the things I think when you're in that state, especially in the financial service area, I really think people can handle unpleasant certainties better than they can pleasant uncertainties. What do I mean by that? You know what, Robo, if my portfolio is down 19%, just tell me. Pick up the phone and stay close to me, because I can handle that, and let's you and I figure out a strategy to move forward. What have a lot of us done? Saying, I'm not going to pick up the phone and call them because you know what? Things might get better, and if it does, then I'll call them later, it'll be happy. I'm saying pick up the phone and call them.